Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this wire twister tool for drill that I got sent out for review. This is what it's included in the box, and these are the different stripping tools that we got. And these will be very useful for some of the installations that we have to make. So here is how we will be using them. These are the three different ones. And as you can see, these is like the pattern that they have on the heads, and these are the parts where you will be installing it to the drill. So let's just use our drill right here and a cable so we can show you how to use them. Okay, so make sure that your drill is turned off while you are installing these. And now that you have done that, let's just put the heads here on the drill. You have to have the drill, of course. It is not included, only these parts. Okay, so let's adjust the drill first, and then you can install the ones that you are going to need. Okay, so as you can see, it starts to work. Now let's just use our cable right here to make some twist right here. In this case, we are putting it inside and it's twisting the cable. And this is the end result with this head. Now let's use another one so you can actually see how this works. So you can twist all of them right here. This is how you will be doing it. There it is. Now let's see how they twist the cables. So see, here is how they turn out, and this is amazing for you when you have to make some connections or installations. You have 1/4 inch hex. Also, you have the 2.5 quarters of square millimeter wire, and also which will be working for 4, 3, or 2 wires. And this way you can also use it to cut some of the wires, strip the wires 2.5 centimeters and arrange them neatly. Just make sure that you arrange them neatly in the wire twister. Make sure that everything is securely fasten the wire twister tool to your drill, and that the wires are arranged neatly before twisting.